Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is a concert rave makeup look. I don't really know what to call it yet. Going to first be taking the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette and dipping into the shades Silk, Cream, and Pooter mixed together. Using windshield wiper motions and just back and forth. Then we'll be taking the tiniest amount of buns and mixing it with chip. Then mixing the shades Central Park and Soda Pop on the outer corners and then kind of mildly just blending it up into the crease again. Taking a Morphe M433 brush and going to be taking the black shade Abyss, putting that right on the outer corner. And this one we're not going to be blending up into the crease, we're just going to keep it just on the outer corner. Then taking the M441 that we use for our transition colors and just blend all that out a little bit. And if you don't want it as dark up on the top, like in the crease a little bit, take some more of that chocolate brown or just use your transition colors and go right over it, and you should blend it out and make it less harsh. I'm taking that black again just to deepen it a little bit more. Taking the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow into the blue. And I'll just be applying it with this applicator. And I like putting 2 coats just so that it really emphasizes it and brightens it up more. And while I wait for that to dry before I put on lashes, I'm going to put on the rest of my face. All of the products that I use for my face will be in the description bar down below in case you're interested. I am going to be applying the Tarteist mascara to my lashes after I curl them. For lashes today, I will be using the Ardell Wispies. Now that lashes are on, I will be finishing up the bottom lash line. Going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'll be taking the shades that I used for my transition on a pencil brush. Then dipping into the shade Chip and darkening it up. Then going into the dark shades Central Park and Soda Pop. Taking a Morphe M432 and taking the black shade in the palette and just going right next to my waterline. Back in with that pencil brush to blend it all out. Using the Makeup Forever Aqua XL Eye Pencil in black. Taking the Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara for the lower lash line. Taking the Anastasia x Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit and taking the shade Forever Young and Forever Lit mixed together and pop that into my inner corner. Now I'm taking these mini beads that I got at Hobby Lobby forever ago, and I'll just be taking my eyelash glue and just popping it on right there, and then just doing that with another one right next to that one on that side. For lips, I will be taking the Toofaced Melted Latex lipstick in Hopeless Romantic. These are my new favorites. I am obsessed. For setting spray today, I will be taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. That is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.